Hi, my name is Sakshi and my roll number is 2501527. And today I'm going to talk about India's manufacturing sector. When we talk about India's growth, we often feel proud, and rightly so. We are one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Our startups are booming, our digital economy is expanding, and our service sector is thriving. But if we look a little deeper, there's a gap in this growth story, and that is our manufacturing sector. Despite being such a large economy, manufacturing contributes only around 15 to 17% to our GDP. Now compare that with countries like China, where it's much higher. For a country like India, with such a huge population and workforce, this is actually a serious concern. Why? Because manufacturing is not just about producing goods, it's about creating the jobs. Millions of young people enter India's workforce every year. Not all of them can be absorbed into IT or corporate jobs. Manufacturing has a potential to provide large scale employment, especially for semi skilled workers. But unfortunately, our manufacturing sector has not grown at the pace it should have. There are several reasons behind this. One major issue is infrastructure. High transportation cost, delays in logistics, and inconsistent power supply make it difficult for businesses to operate efficiently. Then comes the regulatory environment. While reforms have been made, many businesses still find it complicated to set up and run manufacturing units. Another important challenge is the skill gap. We have a young population, but many workers don't have the specific skills that industries require. And of course, global competition is intense. Countries like Vietnam and Bangladesh are attracting manufacturers because of lower cost and smoother systems. But despite all these challenges, I believe India is at a turning point. With initiatives like Make in India and increasing global demand to diversify supply chains away from a single country, India has a real opportunity to strengthen its manufacturing base. If we focus on improving the infrastructure, simplifying the policies, and investing in skill development, manufacturing can truly become the backbone of our economy. To conclude, India doesn't lack the talent or potential. What we need is a stronger execution and a clear focus. Because a strong manufacturing sector is not just about economic growth, it's about jobs, stability, and building a self reliant nation. Thank you.